Hi, I'm Christian Lagunas, and I will be presenting a brief summary of Lesson 2. For this lesson, we created a simulation of a coin dispenser using the MVC architecture. The coin dispenser displays a message with a counter for the balance of the coins in cents. We have three different types of coins: nickels, dimes, and quarters. Besides their values being different, their size is different. The coin has an insert and remove button as well as a selection button called a radio button. We can only choose one coin at a time to insert and remove. As we insert coins into the dispenser, the balance increases the original amount by the value of the coin chosen and decreases when removed. Now, let's talk about starting with, or let's talk about the code starting with the model. So in the model, we set up our coins and our coin dispenser. We create a coin that is a model for the actual coins where the size and value will be given and set through setters and getter methods since we use information hiding for these members. The coin dispenser class is where we will simulate a coin dispenser. We created three different slots for each coin. The constructor is important because that is how we set the max number for each coin. In the coin dispenser, we also check if a slot is full or empty. Ensures that the coin chosen goes to its designated slot and updates the balance. Finally, we have the actual coin, nickel, and dime quarter classes. These separate classes just define the size and the value of each type of coin. In the view folder, we have two classes, appcanvas.java and appwindow.java. Canvas is just the look of the window. How big we want the window, where on the screen will it open, font, color, size, type of the messages. The appwindow.java class designates where the messages will be displayed in the content pane. Remember from last lesson that the content pane has 5 zones. In this lesson, the messages are in the center of the content pane. This class also defines buttons that we are to use. For this lesson, we will need 3 radio buttons, which is used to only choose one coin at a time, along with 2 action buttons to insert to and remove from the coin dispenser. The radio buttons and the action buttons will be presented in the south of the content pane. Here is where a border around the buttons is created and where we update the window after an action is received from the user. Controller is where we call our app window and its display settings along with calling the coin dispenser class. Here we have our listeners for our buttons that we created. These listeners listens for actions from the buttons that has been selected and ensures that the coin chosen goes to its appropriate slot or is removed from its appropriate slot. Lastly, I would like to add that we use assert methods to give developers messages that an action that has been performed is out of bounds. For instance, if the window pop-up has no pre-selected coins and we try to remove or insert nothing, then this can cause the program to crash. However, we implement safeguards like pre-selecting a coin at start. Now I will simulate the program. Thank you.